The NDA government's claim that 93% of the 5 lakh respondents on the Narendra Modi app gave the Prime Minister's demonetization a big thumbs up in the first 24 hours of the survey. The government also feels it's gone out of its way to accommodate people who are planning to get married this winter by allowing families to withdraw 2.5 lakh rupees for weddings. But is that enough? Over the next half an hour, we're going to bring you stories from across the country to show you how the cash crunch is affecting the wedding bazaar. The groom-to-be says he had grand plans for his Mehndi and Sangeet ceremonies, but because of the cash crunch, he had to settle for his rooftop as the venue.
देखिए प्रॉब्लम वहाँ पर आ रही है जहाँ पर आपको मिसलेनियस आपके एक्सपेंसेस हैं. फॉर एग्जांपल आपको अगर मेहंदी वाला आपने एक बुक किया है एंड जो मेहंदी वाली है वो एक रिमोट एरिया से आ रही है, ठीक है, उसका अकाउंट एक रिमोट एरिया में है, तो वो यहाँ पर आएगी तो उसको एक कैश देना है. वो कैश अरेंज करने के लिए लाइक उसको चाहिए 21,000 चाहिए, 31,000 चाहिए, 51,000 रुपये चाहिए, वो हमें उसको कैश पे करना है और उसको एक अरेंज करने के लिए उसके लिए टाइम चाहिए, ठीक है, जो हमारे पास इस वक्त नहीं है.
Sumit lives with his parents, older brother and sister-in-law in Delhi's Rajouri garden. The family had planned a lavish wedding, bookings had been made and cards had been sent out to a long list of guests. With barely 2 days to go, Sumit is being forced to decide whether to cut down on expenses on the music band, drummers, mehndi, makeup or tent because there's only so much cash to go around.
हलवाई हो गया, छोटा टेंट हो गया, आपका लाइक ढोल वाला हो गया, कई आपके बैंड वाले हैं और कहीं आपको कैश देना पड़ता है. वो सारी चीज़ें जहाँ पर वी आर फेसिंग अ प्रॉब्लम.
बहुत सी चीज़ों पे असर पड़ा है. जैसे बहुत से प्लान्स थे कि मैं दोस्तों के साथ थोड़ा नाइट आउट के लिए जाऊंगा या पार्टीज़ के लिए जाऊंगा, पर जब से ये नोट बंद होने का असर तो उस पर काफ़ी चीज़ें मुझे कर्टेल करनी पड़ी हैं, कम करनी पड़ी हैं.
With barely 2 days to go for the wedding, the family queued up outside the bank when the RBI announced its decision to allow families that had marriages lined up to withdraw 2.5 lakh rupees.
शादी में बहुत सारे खर्चे ऐसे होते हैं जिन्हें हमें कैश में ही करना होता है, वो चेक या क्रेडिट कार्ड से नहीं हो सकते. जैसे मैंने भी चेक बुक मंगाई है, मुझे 10 चेक्स की चेक बुक मिली है, तो मैं किस किस को चेक दूंगा, तो परेशानी बहुत है.
The father-son duo claim they support the government's efforts to crack down on black money, but the timing couldn't have been worse for them.
बहुत सा ऐसा एक बहुत बड़ा सेक्शन है हमारी पॉपुलेशन में जो टैक्स पे नहीं करता है, उल्टे सीधे खर्चे दिखाते हैं, तो इसका फ़ायदा आपको लॉन्ग रन में बहुत मिलेगा. अभी शॉर्ट रन में आप मत देखिए कि अभी आपको जो प्रॉब्लम हो रही है, और थोड़ा सा क्या है कि लोग हाइपर हो रहे हैं कि एकदम भाग रहे हैं कि आपके पास काफ़ी टाइम है. जिसका पैसा वाइट है उसको कोई टेंशन नहीं है, वो अपना पैसा कभी भी जमा कर सकता है, कितनी अमाउंट में जमा कर सकता है. प्रॉब्लम उन लोगों के लिए है जिनका पैसा ब्लैक है.
A cable operator in Delhi's Sadar Bazaar, Rajiv Goyal, has a flourishing business which allows him to earn a handsome amount every month. However, the note ban has rendered him penniless, forcing him to ask his relatives for help in making arrangements for his son's wedding. Rajiv tried to withdraw the promised 2.5 lakh rupees from his account, but the withdrawal did not happen thanks to procedural delays.
इस सामने देख रहे हैं कोशिश मिल जाए किसी पैसे, किसी के पास पैसा नहीं है जेब में, 10,000 रुपये भी नहीं है जेब में, उसको देख रहे हो वहाँ पर दिक्कत बहुत आ रही है. रिक्वेस्ट करेंगे एक दिन पहले एक दिन 25 को ही दे दें, उस हिसाब से उस हिसाब से क्लियर हो जाएगा. डॉक्यूमेंट आज जमा करा दें सारे.
Bank authorities asked Rajiv to provide a list of documents including wedding cards to facilitate the withdrawal. After he had finished all formalities, he was told that the request will be forwarded to the bank's headquarters and the money will be made available only after 3 days. This meant that he'd have no money to spend on the day of the wedding.
ये एप्लीकेशन हमारे कंट्रोलिंग ऑफिस को फॉरवर्ड करते हैं. कंट्रोलिंग ऑफिस हमें परमिट करता है, उसके बाद कैश अवेलेबल होता है, उसके बाद हम दे पाएंगे.
The Reserve Bank of India has imposed stiff conditions for withdrawal of up to 2.5 lakh rupees from bank accounts for weddings. Here's a closer look at the guidelines that have been put into place. Only the person getting married or his or her parents are allowed to withdraw up to 2.5 lakh rupees from banks. Money can be withdrawn only from the credit balance that was available in the account on the 8th of November, which is the day when demonetization was announced. The withdrawal application should provide the names of the bride and groom, their identity proof, addresses and date of the wedding. A copy of the wedding card should also be attached with the application. Withdrawn cash should only be used to make payments to persons who don't have bank accounts. The list should indicate the purpose for which the proposed payments are being made. The amount can be withdrawn only if the date of marriage is on or before the 30th of December.
Marriage for wedding ceremonies which are going on up to 2.5 lakh rupees will be permitted to be drawn from the bank account. Now naturally again these accounts will have to be KYC compliant accounts, and there has to be drawn one per marriage, and it can be drawn either from the account of the father or the mother, or the account of either of the the boy or those who are getting married.
The decision to allow a withdrawal of 2.5 lakh rupees for families that were planning weddings may have come as a breather for many. But long queues outside banks and procedural delays have come as part of the package. A young bride in Pansimal village in Barwani district of Madhya Pradesh was forced to go to the bank in her wedding attire to underline the urgency of her cash needs. It was the day of her wedding and her brother, who was sponsoring the ceremony, was unable to withdraw any cash. Aarti had already dressed up when she heard the news and decided to take matters in her own hand. The young bride marched into the bank and demanded that her brother be allowed to withdraw cash immediately. The bank staff was stunned. Realizing the urgency of the situation, they promptly handed over the money to Aarti. Unlike Aarti, who was able to withdraw money hours before her wedding, this family in Ayodhya is still suffering. Ram Suresh Yadav, a poor farmer, sold his cattle to collect money for his daughter's wedding. The money had been credited to his bank account and he thought he would make the withdrawal as and when needed. With barely 2 weeks to go for the wedding, Ram Suresh is in a fix. He's been to the bank several times to make the withdrawal but has been turned away by the branch manager. In another city of Uttar Pradesh, the father of a bride was forced to mortgage jewellery he had gotten made for his daughter to fund a small pre-wedding ceremony. Raju, a resident of Unnao, tried desperately to withdraw money he had saved for his daughter's wedding but was repeatedly turned away by the bank.
शनिवार के यहाँ फ़ोन के मैनेजर साहब से, साहब हमें पैसा चाहिए, सामान खरीदना है, तो उसने कहा कि आओ, तो हम गए, तो कल पैसा पेमेंट आया नहीं। जब नई कोई व्यवस्था बन पाई तो बेटे जेवर रख दिया और डीएम साहब कार्ड बनवा ला है, वो भी दिखाया जाए, तब भी नहीं मिला पैसा।
The young bride too is extremely upset with the way her father is being made to run from pillar to post to withdraw his own hard-earned money. Ranjita blames Prime Minister Modi for messing up her wedding plans.
मेरे पापा बैंक गए थे पैसे लेने, तो वहाँ पे पैसे नहीं मिले, तो मेरे पापा फिर डीएम साहब के पास गए, वहाँ से कागज़ लेकर आए, फिर भी कोई काम नहीं हुआ। तो मेरे पापा मेरे जेवर रख के फिर पैसे लेकर आए, फिर तिलक चढ़ाने गए थे।
This father of a bride to be in Kanpur broke down while sharing his ordeal. A modest car mechanic by profession, Rajesh Gupta and his family had taken great pains to collect enough money for his daughter's wedding over the years. Today, when they need the cash, they're being made to beg and borrow from friends and relatives.
नहीं मिला सर, पैसे के लिए मना कर दिया, बोले नहीं पैसा। क्यों? बोले केवाईसी दिए, जो 8 के पहले का पैसा है वो मिलेगा, 8 के बाद का पैसा नहीं मिलेगा। पैसे मिलने नहीं सर, एक कार बेचूंगा अपनी, तो शादी करूंगा।
Rajesh's case is different from others as his family's savings are spread out in individual accounts. While the bank says he can withdraw money from his own account and his son's, he can't withdraw money from his father's account as there's no provision in the RBI guidelines that allow grandfathers to pay for their granddaughter's or grandson's wedding.
अब यही दिक्कत हो रही है कि कहाँ से पैसे आएंगे। अब हमने तो अपनी फ्रेंड से पैसे मांगे, कुछ अगल बगल वालों से पैसे मांगे, बहुत दिक्कत हो रही, बहुत ज़्यादा प्रॉब्लम हो रही।
Now sample this. The father of a bride in Rajkot in Gujarat committed suicide out of sheer frustration because he didn't think he would be able to manage his daughter's wedding post demonetization. A humble rickshaw puller, Tribhuvan Solanki was counting on friends and relatives who had promised to contribute towards the marriage. Invitation cards were ready to be sent out when the note ban was announced. Within days, friends pulled out saying they wouldn't be able to contribute to the wedding as they themselves are facing a cash crunch.
ગ્રુપ સર્કલવાળા એમ કહેતા હતા કે હું તને સપોર્ટ કરી તમ તાર તું બેનના મેરેજ કર, અમે તને અમારી બનતી કોશિશ કરીને થોડો ઘણો જ્યાં ચલણી નોટું 500ની ને 1000ની નોટું બંધ થઈ ગઈ, બરોબર। હવે એ નોટું બંધ થયું તો બધાએ સપોર્ટવાળા જેટલા હતા બધાએ હાથ ઊંચા કરી દીધા કે ભાઈ અમારી પાસે આ નોટું બંધ થઈ તો આથી વિશે અમારી પાસે કાંઈ હવે તમને તમારી સહાય નહીં કરી શકી।
कोई बोलता है मैं बैंक में गया था लेकिन आज मेरा लाइन में वाला नहीं आया तो मैं तुमको कल दूंगा। 2-3 दिन से ये पोजीशन थी, उसकी वजह से आज उसने गले फांसा खा के आत्महत्या की है।
This family in Ahmedabad has been running around from one bank branch to the other trying to withdraw cash for a wedding. 5 days on, they met with no success in spite of the fact that they have all the relevant documents, including invitation cards, booking receipts and shopping bills. The reason? The bank claims it's not received an official intimation saying customers with weddings in the family can withdraw up to 2.5 lakh rupees.
तो आई तब उन्होंने बोले कि इतना सारा कैश नहीं देंगे। दूसरी बार जब मैं आई तब उन्होंने बोला कि ना ये सब डॉक्यूमेंट्स लेकर आइए। फिर मैं लेकर गई सब, तो बोले कि हमारे पास अभी आरबीआई के ऑर्डर्स नहीं आए हैं, लिखित में सब ऑर्डर्स आएंगे फिर आएंगे। और फिर आज मैं आई तभी मुझे पूरे पैसे नहीं मिल रहे हैं, कोई पैसा नहीं मिला मुझे अभी तक।
From Haryana to Uttar Pradesh, from Gujarat to West Bengal, brides and grooms-to-be and their families are facing the crunch. 23-year-old Garima Manot, a resident of Kolkata, was all geared up for her wedding on the 7th of December. A hotel had been booked, trousseau and jewellery had been finalised and the menu had been fixed. But now the family is calling up vendors to cancel all bookings.
We had a wedding in December, but then now because of the demonetization, we have to postpone it to January or maybe whatever, so it is. And it's not just that, we are also having, like, all the budget has also moved, so we have to make some changes, be it the sweets or anything.
The cancellation hasn't just upset the Manot family, but also service providers who claim their business has taken a beating following the note ban.
जो फेस्टिवल की सीज़न है, ये वेडिंग सीज़न है, ये हमें बहुत इफेक्ट कर दिया है। ऑलमोस्ट 70% हमारी सेल डाउन हो गई है। जो भी आ रहे हैं पुरानी करेंसीज लेके आ रहे हैं 500 और 1000 का, वो हम लोग एक्सेप्ट नहीं कर रहे हैं। क्लाइंट के पास में दूसरा कोई कैश नहीं है जिससे वो पेमेंट कर सके, तो इस कारण से हमें बहुत ज़्यादा मुश्किलें फेस करनी पड़ रही।
With the government discontinuing old 500 and 1000 rupee notes and setting a limit of 2.5 lakh rupees on withdrawals for marriages, the big fat Indian wedding scene seems to have gone bust. While one feels that people indulge in unnecessary expenditure on weddings, the crackdown is being felt most by the middle and lower middle class, where expectations are high and pockets are not so deep. Will millionaire weddings also be affected by this move? And can the note ban actually usher in a shift in mindset where people start appreciating simpler ceremonies? That is the big question.